Hi, and welcome to another episode of High Finance. Ohio attorneys are not allowed to help upcoming legal medical marijuana businesses in the state due to federal law. The State of Supreme Court's Board of Professional Conduct also prohibits Ohio attorneys to consume medical marijuana or to be personally involved in the industry. Both Democrats and Republicans in the state criticized this decision. The Ohio Legislature passed a bill in May allowing people with a doctor's prescription to inhale marijuana vapor to treat some chronic illnesses. According to the state representative, Dan Ramos, lawmakers specifically wrote into the legislation that attorneys could practice in this area. Although the ethics panel in most legal states allow attorney involvement in the cannabis industry, Ohio isn't exactly the only one to restrict attorney privileges. Hawaii's disciplinary board issued an opinion last year that attorney can only give legal advice about medical marijuana law, but cannot provide legal services. One of 2 medical marijuana dispensaries has opened in Milford, Connecticut. This brings the total number of dispensaries in the state to a total of 8. Southern Connecticut Wellness and Healing is located off of New Haven Avenue and has seen 70 patients since its grand opening last week. Milford has been a major focus when it comes to medical marijuana stores. According to News 8, the Department of Consumer Protection says that out of the 17 applications submitted, 9 of them were in Milford. The number of patients in state has more than tripled since medical marijuana has been legalized. Back when the program started in 2014, there were about 1,600 patients. Now, more than 12,000 patients are residents of Connecticut. According to Jonathan Harris, Commissioner of Consumer Protection, the program is progressing, which is good because it's providing another alternative for people suffering from serious conditions. Some other dispensary locations include Hartford, Bristol, and Branford. Santa Cruz County debuted a new medical marijuana website yesterday to accept online registration from cannabis cultivators operating in the county's unincorporated areas. The registration is a prerequisite to obtain a medical cannabis cultivation license, which is needed for cultivators to be sanctioned by the state under the Medical Marijuana Regulation and Safety Act. According to county spokesman Jason Hoppin, the registration will be offered for 90 days. Cultivators must demonstrate that they have been cultivating medical cannabis in Santa Cruz County since January 2013 or have engaged in commercial farming in a commercial agricultural zone for the last 3 years. Those who register will be required to complete a registration application, applicant owner certificate, personal background, and a security plan form. This concludes another episode. Today's news was brought to you by Cannabis Trader. Check out highfinancereport.com for the latest updates on cannabis business.